Welcome everybody to another episode of Crypto Moose, and the moose is loose. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, like the video if you enjoyed it. So what we're doing on today's episode is we are going to be buying some Copi. And then we also have a video this week coming out, how to buy MELD. So stay tuned. The goal for this video is just to have a bit of fun, showing you guys how to buy MELD. So it's going to be a little refresher. I have a tutorial on how to buy Copi, how to buy MELD, but we're going to do a refresher and we're going to have fun doing this live. So hopefully these orders finalize throughout this video. So let's get on it. So a couple things you're going to need. You're going to need a NAMI wallet. So if we go to the top right, we're going to be using my Mitch MELD. It's a hot wallet, not the safest, not the most secure, but it does work. I've got other videos showing you how to do that. So once you have your wallet, you're going to connect it to Minswap. So you're going to go to Minswap, okay? And first off, download NAMI. You will see it up here. You click on receive, send Cardano here, okay? So if you want, send me some Cardano. So there you go. Send Cardano. If you need to buy some, buy it through Binance, buy it through an online exchange. You could buy it so many different ways, right? We have videos on this. But again, you could also go to JPEG store, buy it using a credit card if you're in the US. So many ways. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to go to minswap.org. You're going to launch the app. Once you launch the app, you connect your wallet. Mine connected. So we're going to disconnect. We're going to disconnect. So we're going to go to connect. Okay. You have all these options. Okay. Which is sick. Okay. And look at this. Trezor's coming soon. This is going to be huge for me. That's going to be nice. So you're going to click on NAMI and boom, it connected the wallet. If you want, you can create multiple accounts and then you could switch through them. So here I have different NFTs. And let's say I wanted to connect this wallet. See how it switched? Okay. So again, that's how you're going to switch your accounts. So this is just one of my wallets. I use this for the channel a lot. So we have 360 ADA. So how do we get Copi? We're going to be buying Copi in this video. So we're going to go over here to trade. Once we're in trade, you're going to see your balance. So you can click here and trade your amount. It's worth 121 ADA. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 100 ADA. Okay. So in our wallet, we can see our balances. We're going to acquire more Copi. I'm bullish on cornucopias. I believe in the project. I think it's going to do well. So again, click on ADA. Okay. Comment down below if you're enjoying this. So let's just do 100 ADA worth. And we're going to buy or swap for Copi. Okay. So that's going to give us 1,000. So we're at a 10-to-1 ratio. And we're going to hit swap. We're going to have a price impact. So for those of you that are yield farming, which I am, we'll go into that in a different video. But you can earn a reward for supplying liquidity. So here we go. I'm going to pay another fee for you all. And it's going to cost me 104. And I'm doing this for you all. So I'm spending basically $1 to do this. But that's okay. So you got that Minswap noise, kind of annoying. But if we click here, you're going to see that we have a little deadline. You can see the transaction ID. And if you go to orders, this is where it's going to show. So I did this in a previous video. I did quite a few today. I'm filming ahead of time. I swapped 100 ADA for 1,000 Copi today already. That was the cost. So right now we're queuing. And we're going to see this transaction happen. So we are swapping 100 ADA for 1,000 Copi. That's what we're going to get in return. 1,029.42. So that's very similar to what we just did not long ago. So really cool. So we're actually getting one less Copi. Not a big deal. what is it, like 3 cents right now. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this. This is really cool. So I'm really exploring doing more videos like this for you all. Please comment down below if you're enjoying this. I think I'd like to do a lot more tutorials like this. So the transaction looks like it's finishing here. So it's taken my Cardano out of my wallet. So we're just doing this live just to give you an idea. Hopefully I can get this done before my voice is gone. So right now we have 1,031. We are going to get that to 2,000. So again, I use Minswap. I've been enjoying that DEX. So a DEX is a decentralized exchange. Decentralized meaning we do not need to deal with the middleman. Because it's decentralized, we're not dealing... because with cryptos, you own your own assets. We don't have to give this to a bank and they do this for us. We can do this on our own. That's the idea of cryptos, right? You can hold your own assets and you earn the yield. So when you own these assets, you can supply liquidity. You are your own bank now. Okay? So that's the idea of crypto, and that's why I'm passionate about a lot of it. So it's taken a bit of time. I'm just giving you a real world experience of what this is like. My last transaction was pretty quick, and this depends on the liquidity that Minswap has. So if depending on the size of your transaction, you're going to have issues or not. I will be doing other videos. You can see here I'm adding I've already added liquidity, so I'm earning a small percentage of this. So if I were to go to the farming here, might as well do this at the same time. Here you can earn a pretty generous min yield. So here I can harvest 82 min. I've been yield farming for a little bit. So we will be doing tons of videos on that in the future. So it looks like maybe this is completed. So there we go. We now have 2,061 Copi. We did that all in about 5 minutes. So that's how you buy Copi. So I hope you enjoyed this. I want to keep this video short and sweet. Comment down below where you're picking up your Copi. Again, I'm not telling you to pick up cornucopias, but as you just saw, I am picking up Cardano, and then I am picking up a little bit of, Meld, Copi every day, every week, just a little bit here and there when I can. So I hope you enjoyed that. Again, comment down below what else you'd like to see on the channel. Have a good day.